How to make the letter Q. We'll start with a lowercase q. Blow it almost all the way up. A lowercase q is like a lowercase g, only the crook goes in the opposite direction. Okay, so we'll make a, let's get a little bit more flexibility going here. Going to want that to come around like that, right? So let's make a pinch twist up here. And then we'll make a pinch twist here. Wrap that around. Ooh, that's a little tight. Hope it doesn't pop. Can you see that okay? Okay. And the Q will go this way then, right? That's how it goes, no? That pinch twist is a little big, but it's okay. Pop off the extra. And there you have your lowercase q. Here, I want this to go more that way, so I'm going to, that's a little better. How to make an uppercase Q. Okay, so it's like the O. Blow up a balloon. And again, I'm not dictating the size, it depends on what you want. Bring them together, say about here. And it's almost like a Q already, but usually in the letter Q, it crosses through. So to give that effect, let's make a pinch twist here and put that inside. And then that gives, right, that effect. And of course it's too much here, so you just tie it off and use your magic tiger scissors. Cut off the extra. And you have your uppercase and your lowercase q.